Hello to this video on trading using the HollaEx Fiat Controls. In the last video, we set up the foundations for allowing fiat deposits, and with this done, we can now see how to enable trading and withdrawing fiat currencies. The first thing we will set up is the OTC desk for trading. Check the description for more information on how the OTC broker functions. Heading into the operator controls as the admin, navigate to the market tabs, the third OTC desk tab, and then the green button in the top right. Choose now what the deal will be. This can be between any two assets on the exchange. I will set up a deal for USDT and the British pound. When selecting, ensure the crypto asset is the one on the left and the fiat on the right. The next menu is the parameters menu. This is simply the minimum and maximum allowed to be traded of the base asset, that being the crypto asset. In this case, no trade can be less than 10 USDT or higher than 10,000 USDT. The next page is the pricing. For the case of fiat conversion, we would recommend in most cases to use the dynamic pricing, but means that the price we set will automatically track the prices on another exchange of our choosing. In my case, for my price source, I have chosen to use the USDT British pound market on Kraken. Taking a look at the advanced link at the bottom, we can see the formula that is being used and edit it as well. After doing this, we see that the price was retrieved and displayed at about £0.78 for each USDT for both buying and selling price. We can now edit this via the spread. Using 0.1%, we still hover around that 0.78 number with a very slight change, but now raising the spread to 5%, we see a larger range. Here we would be buying from the user 1 USDT for about £0.74 and conversely selling USDT for about £0.82. This means that with this configuration, for each buy and sell of USDT, we would profit £0.08 or 8 pence. Finally, the price quote expiry simply refers to the time that the quoted price will be available to the user. This is generally safe to leave at the default 30 seconds. The next two menus are hedging and the source wallet. These are explained in the older OTC videos and docs, so please take a look in the description for explanation on those. Finally, the review, and then we can choose to pause or launch the deal immediately. So I'll set it to live and we can now see it on our OTC list. I'm going to switch accounts now, off the admin and to a user's account, and we can have a look at the trading flow. So with this separate user, I have some British pound that I deposited and I want to swap it for USDT. This is the same as doing any other OTC trade. Head over to Quick Trade, enter into the input boxes the fiat and the desired currency. We can see down in the bottom right that the user is told that the price is being sourced through the OTC broker. Inputting that I want to swap my 10 British pound to USDT, I get a quote in the second box and we see we'll just get over 12 USDT. Then a quick review page and confirm, and instantly this transaction occurs and we see this success page. From here we can see in the wallet that the amounts have changed accordingly. And finally, we can see the trade reflected in the user's history tab as well. Jumping back now to the admin, and again, we'll see the wallet amounts have changed as this admin account was defined as the source, as well as seeing that trade reflected in history. Thanks for watching this Fiat Control videos on trading. Next up will be withdrawals and using the fiat controls with smaller national currencies.